If you didn't move, that was gonna hit you.
Misty, y'all start playing in the snow? Hey, Kaden.
What?
Kaden. You having fun out in the snow?
Yeah,
You making snowman?
What's the matter, Misty? You don't like it out in the snow?
You can't throw snow at me.
Whoa, snow flurry. Yeah. Let's go. What? What, Misty? Both of y'all talking about something. What's going on? What? Can't even see the sun. There it is. Kinda. The Cadillac is gone. Where's the Cadillac at?
You always suck.
This, hey Katie, you're a snot-nosed punk. Huh? Is that snot?
Yes.
Is that Kaden snot?